So over here, you can see that I already have an imported video on LossLessCut window. So what I want to do is set the start and end point for parts of the video that I want to export. So over here, there's like the panning, as you can see. So I don't want the panning section, let's say for example, and I want the video to start from here when I export it. So I simply keep my cursor here and then click on this icon right here, which sets the cut to start point, as you can see. So I can go around over here and then go around until the place where I want the video to remain. So I'm just going to go and click over here till when I want the video to remain and click on the end part. So set cut to end the current position. So this part has been selected. Similarly, what I can do is go around to the other portion of the video and click on it to add in another segment and then go around onto the end to end the segment. So you can see that two sections has been selected out just like this. You can go around and then set the endpoint right here. You can go around, click on it again to change out the size of the segment. So you want it to start from before, you can click on it. You want to start it from later, you can go around onto the cursor, click on it, and you can see that the selection changes out. Similarly, I can select the other section, go around, and then set the start and the end just like that again. So I can go around, click on it, and go around and click on it again. I can just go around here and click on this to go on to the end and start off each section, as you can see. So if I were to click on this, you can see that I can jump to cut start right here. Click on 1 to go right here, click on 2 to go on to the next section, just like this. So I can go around and then go around onto the beginning of the section or the end section so that I want to actually enable that out. So now you can see that if I were to go on to the beginning and click on this, you can see that it says time, start time must preset the time. So you cannot set the start and end at the same time because it won't know what to export then. And this is how you can set the cut start and cut end inside of LossLessCut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.